Hello everyone, my name is Christina Fington and this is the Shiny app that I have built, and I have made a data set as the countries and debt causes. So I will like to walk through of all the tabs that I have with me right now. So we'll start with the data summary where it is a statistical summary and the categorical summary. So here we can choose whichever statistical summary that we wanted. We can see the mean, first quartile, median, mean, third quartile, maximum, all the information we can see for whatever variables that we wanted. And I had a categorical summary over here where we can see the frequency and the categories that is there over here. Next, I have the scatter plot and the box plot, where the scatter plot and box plot we can change the x-axis variable and the y-axis variable accordingly. Right now, it is of alcohol use versus the diet low in whole grains, where we can hover over all of these plots, where we can see each and every information that we wanted. We can take a screenshot, we can download this plot as a PNG, we can zoom in, zoom out, we can do whatever we wanted. And same goes for the box plot where we can see the mean, median, max values, the upper fence and the lower fence, everything we can see. And here also we can actually change whatever variables that we wanted. That is right now it is in the alcohol use versus a diet low in whole grains. We can change it to anything that we wanted. So right now it would be, yes, it's outdoor pollution versus a diet low in whole grains. So next comes the clustering. Clustering I have done is three types of clusterings. That's k-means clustering results, elbow method, and the silhouette method. K-means clustering over here, there is an option over here where we can actually change the variables again. We can, it's an interactive way that you all can actually choose. We can change whatever we want. We can increase the number of clusters. That is now presently it is 3. We can make it 4 if we want it. So then we can run k-means. So we can see that over here, whenever k is equal to 4, it goes to the nearest mean, that is its own centroid. That is the k-means clustering. And I have the elbow method plot where it shows the optimal number for the k cluster. And then I have the silhouette method plot where it actually sees the similar, actually it compares the similar group of plots, everything with its own clusters against other clusters. And um, higher the point over here is means that it's more better defined cluster. Now I have even the data set where I have used for cleaning the data. I have cleaned all the null values, I've cleaned all the unknown values, everything. So here we have a search bar where we can type whatever we want. I have typed that not, so we can see all the information about the Northern Mariana Islands. We can see the code, year, everything we can see in the columns. And the entries over here, maximum is like 100. We can change to 10, 25, 50, 100. So there are a lot of values here that we can choose up to. So next I have is the classification part where I have done the decision tree confusion matrix, and for that I have done the comparison of it is I have taken the logistic regression confusion matrix. So here we can again see that I have targeted is the blood pressure class, and when we are training this model we can actually see the confusion matrix statistics where we can see the high and low predictions for the decision tree confusion matrix, and we can see the accuracy, we can see the balanced accuracy, and we can see that the positive class is high. Same thing we can see is for the logistic regression confusion matrix, and here again we can see the high and low has been changed over here, and we can see the accuracy as also has increased over here, and we can see the balanced accuracy, and the positive class is high. For blood pressure class we have targeted that as a variable. So right now I have even created an ROC curve for separately for decision tree and for logistic regression. For ROC curve is the decision tree is this is the plot where it is against the false positive rate and the true positive rate, and then the ROC curve for logistic regression is again false positive rate versus the true positive rate, and along with that I have made a final plot where it is comparing both the decision tree and the logistic regression, and along with that the null model which is right in the center over here. So the green one is the logistic regression and the blue color is the decision tree against false positive rate and the true positive rate. So this is my Shiny app which I have built, I hope that you all would understand my Shining app, and thank you so much. Bye bye.